Hi there, students. A despot, a despot, a dictator, a tyrant, somebody who says that everybody's got to obey them, yeah, is somebody with absolute power. You could have despotism. Okay, despotism is the noun. Despotism is government by one single person, or maybe a very small group, a small group of 2 or 3 people. But despotism is ruled by absolute power. It also implies in a cruel and unfair way. You could have an adjective, despotic. So very often children that don't have any brothers and sisters are despotic. You do this, you do that, and they're telling everybody what to do. But despotism itself, this is a form of government where a single unit rules and says what everybody has to do. Normally this word a despot is negative. It's used to talk about people who oppress their population. Yeah, they use their power and authority unfairly. Yeah. So a despot, a ruler, an absolute ruler, somebody who has absolute power. They have unlimited power, and they use it unfairly to tell people what to do. So this is an autocrat, a tyrant. So I think a long time ago we were ruled by despots. I think there are countries that are still ruled by despots. Yeah, but this is a ruler. A despot is a ruler with unlimited power, and they use their power normally unfairly and cruelly. They rule despotically. It's a despotic regime. Okay, so yeah, if you're using this word a despot or despotic, you're not being very nice about someone. You clearly don't like them much. I think a despot, a Byzantine emperor or prince. This was a ruler in Byzantine times. This is the Byzantine Empire, the 5th or 6th century in Byzantium. Okay, Constantinople or northeast Turkey. Okay, so a despot. I guess you could have a benevolent despot, somebody who has absolute power but looks after their people. But normally it's talking about a totalitarian dictator. Yeah, a ruler with who is cruel, who is unfair, and has a huge amount of power. Okay, but so my boss is extremely despotic. Yeah, he doesn't allow anybody to give their opinion. You've just got to do what he says and no more. Okay, so despotic. Let's see. Formality. A despotic. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think I'd probably use the word a dictator or a tyrant first. In something slightly less formal, but I think use it anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from medieval Latin despota, from ancient Greek despotes, lord, master, or owner, from a Proto-Indo-European phrase dems potis, master of the house, the person in charge, and believe it or not, it's a cognate with a Sanskrit word, dampati, which I think is the master, the ruler. Okay, so a despot, a tyrant, not such a nice person. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. by. For now, despot, despotism, despotic.